So after we created our Windows Server virtual machine in Azure, we will also create a client virtual machine using Windows 10. So to do that, let's click again the create button, Azure virtual machine. So here, the resource group is again the Active Directory Lab, and then virtual machine name is client 1. So the region is same as the server, North America. It will not appear here. We will just change it later. Just use East US. And for the zone 1. For the server, it's Windows 10 Pro, this one. And then let's go back to the region. Choose the North Central US, this one, North Central US. And then for the size of our virtual machine, standard D2S version V3, 2 vCPUs, 8 gig of memory, this one. And then our username is lab user, and our password is cyberlab123. Select inbound ports, check this licensing, and then next, networking, next, virtual network, Active Directory VNet. This one is subnet is default, public IP, client, and then review and create. After that, click create. It's take a while for the deployment. So you can see, as you can see, deployment is in progress. Just wait for that to finished. So I think it's done. So check, let's go to home and go to virtual machine. As you can see, we have the client one, and it's running Windows. So that's how you create a Windows 10 virtual machine using Azure, Microsoft Azure, and that's it.